Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at ARM stock. So guys, we are seeing some sell-off at the all-time highs again. Is this sell-off is a reversal on ARM or is it not? Well, can ARM still continue higher? We'll talk about all of that in this video, how to take this sell-off at all-time highs and what going into next week ARM can provide us, what type of plays. So in this video, I'll talk about all of that. But before that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. Also, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. All right, let's jump right into it. So I want to first take you over my ARM playlist that I have been doing, and you can, again, all the stock I put them in their playlist. You can just go to my channel, type the ticker name and that playlist, or you can just go to the playlist section and just go through the sequence. So from last 2 weeks, I have been talking about that ARM is going to $164. There, as you can see, there are a couple of videos, and then I have been talking about ARM in NVIDIA video as well. That's why it's showing up in this playlist of NVIDIA as well. But yeah, so 164 from 2 weeks, I have been talking about it. So let's go back 2 weeks. And this was almost back over here, right? Since this blue box, I have been saying 164 is the direction we are in. And once we get out of this blue box and above, it's going to rocket this thing back to the upside because, well, there is no strong resistance. And we got to all-time highs 164. All these pivots that I was saying is just a buy, stop loss on the other side. But yes, these pivots are a buy, and getting above this, pretty much starting from this 50 days moving average and getting above this 121 and 44 cents, this blue box zone, is open up this into the parabolic move back up to 164. Yeah, so we are into this parabolic move. Now, what do we make out of this red candle, guys? Is this a reversal? Well, no, this is not a reversal. This is just a pullback, is some good profit taking, I would say it that way. But don't, just because it's coming at all-time highs, the sell-off, don't see this as a confirmed reversal. It is not. It is just a sell-off right now. To take profit, I think, is what it is. I would like to say we have a good support at $150 on ARM. All right, until and unless we are not even breaking this level, it's not going down, guys. And it's not that it's just going to reverse like that. Things just don't, these big caps just don't go up like that and just don't go like down that. Those are usually low float penny stocks that usually go these parabolic runs and then they're just dead. They go dead the next day. This ARM is not a stock like that, and these big caps don't just fall like that. This $150 is just a pullback zone in the upward structure. Even the pullback to 145 is just a pullback. You will see a distribution phase first, and that distribution phase doesn't mean it's going to just continue lower. We have to see where those levels form and if those level breaks. Yeah, until then, these pullbacks can keep continuing to give you intraday long plays, and or if it continues higher, well, that's another thing. But yeah, at this time, it's just that pullback comes and you see on intraday lower time frames, levels holding, double bottoms forming, go intraday long and take some partial profits out up here. This is, if it has to reverse here, it has to first go into the distribution phase, and then we have to see which levels would form as of break, which confirm the downside. Otherwise, no, this will just can stay up here distribution phase and then also continue higher. So your best bet is pullbacks still are just a buy on intraday, but don't buy the falling knife. You have to see where are those setups forming. So for example, today 50 hours moving average is what gave it that support. You can see we found a support here, green candle comes, and slowly we started to go and got bought back up, right? Cool off, turned bullish again. And so even, let's say, some intraday cool offs may come, guys, but your better bet is to just wait for the pullback in this uptrend at any of these levels until 150 at least. It's just a pullback and a buy. And if we lose 150, there is still like 100. You can still trade intraday short if you're a really good scalper, right? Like for example, when you see a level of all-time highs rejecting, you can trade intraday short as well down to the next levels, right? And then you take then you can take a back upside as well, because technically structure is still bullish, so pullbacks are still a buy. You can still trade both sides, but if you just want to trade with the direction, I would suggest just wait for any pullbacks. And when you see on lower time frames, on intraday, things like consolidation forming, right? Double bottoms, triple bottoms forming, and just do the long on that. And that's the best way to trade these distribution phases, or all at all time highs. So don't confuse it as, oh yay, now it's time to short, it's just gonna go back down. No, it's just going to result in pullbacks and then going to get bought back up, just because we are in the distribution phase. There's a lot of room for it to still stay continuously bullish. And I have been saying, yeah, from the, again, take partial profits out here, definitely, if you have taken the positions when I was talking about back over here, that these are the zones to buy, and this thing can continue all the way to $164, and we got that. So that's your ARM stock, guys. That's your ARM. And that's pretty much it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.